Fucking recording.
She looks nice. Especially when you look from it down low,
Yeah.
like you see how she runs.
Yeah. It's going on YouTube.
Yeah. One view by Bam Bam.
I know, right?
No, it looks good though.
Yeah.
Looks a lot better than that fucking thing. I don't get it. If you got two headers coming down, exhaust manifold, why not just run it right straight back? Yeah, it's saving you on metal.
That's what it is. Is the cost on metal. That's all. That's all it is.
Yeah.
I mean, you figure how many cars they built.
Look how nice that is, and then look how like cheap this is.
Yeah.
It's their service purpose, and that's it.
Yeah.
What are you gonna do with it? Sell it on eBay?
Nah, I'm gonna keep it.